Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle, pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work. This gets rid of weeds for good, especially the ones growing between paving stones and in sidewalk cracks. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Pour in 1 liter of regular vinegar. Screw the top back on and pump the sprayer. Spray directly onto the weeds, covering them thoroughly. Leave it for at least an hour, preferably in full sun. The weeds will be gone without a trace. They'll dry up and won't come back. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. This burns weeds down to the roots. It's the most effective method for weeds I've ever found. It contains no harmful ingredients and is cheap. When weeds show up in the cracks of your driveway or around the garage, you'll want to get rid of them fast. To do this, grab some lemons. Cut them in half. You'll need enough to get about 7 ounces of lemon juice. Citric acid destroys the structure of plant cells and effectively burns weeds all the way down to the roots. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into a tall container. Now add about 8 ounces of filtered water. This helps spread the solution more evenly and slightly dilutes its strength. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt penetrates deep into the soil and disrupts the water balance of weeds, causing them to dry out completely. Then add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Soap works as an emulsifier, helping the mix stick better to the leaves. Next ingredient, cinnamon. It has antifungal properties and also weakens plant growth at the root. Stir the mixture vigorously until everything is well combined. Pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the weeds growing between paving stones. You'll get the best results on a hot or sunny day. Very soon, you'll notice the weeds begin to wilt and dry out. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Just 1 drop in the garden, and all the pests will be gone. This homemade solution is truly effective. Gardeners highly recommend this method. Pests damage leaves and stems and create conditions for mold and fungus to grow. To prevent this, grab a tall container and pour in about 2 cups of warm water. Time for baking soda. It lowers the pH on leaf surfaces, making them less welcoming for parasites. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is granulated garlic. Its strong smell keeps many pests away. Add 1 teaspoon. Now for cinnamon, its powerful essential oils confuse pests and offer natural protection for your plants. Add half a teaspoon. But we're not done yet. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. It forms a light protective layer on the leaves. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Then strain it through cheesecloth to remove any bits. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and apply it to the plant leaves, especially the undersides, where pests often hide. This natural spray will keep your garden pest-free for good. Hang aluminum foil on your plants. Your garden will thank you for it. This method deserves a medal. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants, which have extraordinary properties, especially in the garden. Now, time for bay leaves. Highly aromatic, they have antibacterial and repellent effects. This is true garden gold. Crush 2 smaller bay leaves into small pieces. The next ingredient is hot red pepper. It releases a really strong, irritating smell. This is an important part of the mix. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Prepare a larger piece of aluminum foil. Place 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture in the center. Fold the foil to form a smaller square packet. Take a toothpick and make several small holes across the surface of the foil. This step is crucial. Hang the finished packets on your plants in the garden, securing them with a clip. On flowers or shrubs, this acts as a natural barrier. It repels aphids, snails, ants, and other pests that can't stand the smell of this mixture. Additionally, the foil itself, by reflecting light, discourages insects from approaching the plants. It's a natural and safe solution to keep unwanted guests away. Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem. A white towel can help protect you from ticks. These tiny arachnids are becoming an increasingly common problem, not only in forests, but also in gardens, on allotments, and in parks. Take a broom and unscrew the handle. Then wrap a white terry towel around the stick. Terry cloth has a soft, fluffy texture that ticks easily cling to. The white color makes them easy to spot. Secure everything with rubber bands to keep it in place. Use the stick to sweep over grass, bushes, and shady areas. Ticks live at heights between 8 and 28 inches and will attach to the fabric if present. Repeat the process a few times to improve accuracy. The test works best when the temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the weather is dry. A quick way to make sure your garden is safe.